Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my new setup. This is the best lighting ever. You can't see it, but it's amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so can we talk about this for a second? Because I keep seeing AI UGC that looks like someone took a mannequin, gave it a ring light, and told it to sell skincare. And I get it, AI video has come a long way, but there's still this one thing that keeps making AI creators look off.
People are trying to make them too perfect.
And here's the thing about perfect. Perfect doesn't exist on TikTok. Real creators blink weirdly, laugh at the wrong moment. They fix their hair mid-sentence. They glance away from the camera for half a second.
Those little things, that's what makes someone feel human. But most AI UGC right now, it's giving a polished robot trying to remember its lines. And the crazy part is the difference between these two isn't the AI. So here's what's actually going wrong, because a lot of people think realistic AI UGC is just about generating a pretty face. And then they wonder why it still feels fake. It's not the face, it's everything around it. The avatar looks too flawless, like suspiciously flawless. The prompt is too vague. The movement feels stiff, and the background feels empty. And the creator has absolutely zero personality. And then people get frustrated and blame the AI. But honestly, the AI is doing exactly what you told it to do, which means the real issue is the direction. Think about it this way. You're not just generating a video. You're basically directing a digital actor. And just like a real actor, your AI creator needs context. They need a character. They need a scene. They need a reason to be there. Because realistic AI UGC isn't about perfection. It's about personality, movement, imperfection, and moments that feel like they could actually happen. So if you want your AI UGC to actually feel real, and I mean stop the scroll, forget it's AI real, there are 3 things you need to get right. First, direction. Not generate influencer video. That's not a direction, that's a vibe. A vague one. You need to know what kind of creator this is. Where are they? What are they doing before the camera even starts rolling? How are they feeling? What's the energy of the scene? The more specific your vision, the more believable the output, every time. Second, your avatar needs to feel human, not flawless, human. Perfect skin, perfect symmetry, perfect everything, that's actually working against you. Because our brains are incredibly good at detecting when something is a little too perfect. It trips a wire. Real people have texture, distinct features, little quirks that make them them. That's what you want to be building towards. And third, your prompts need actual detail. This is honestly where most AI UGC falls apart.
The prompt is 2 sentences, and then people are surprised when the output feels generic. You need camera movement, lighting, emotion, body language, environment, pacing. The AI needs context to give you something that feels alive.
Okay, let me just show you how to actually do this inside VidAU, step by step.
So first thing, we're building the AI influencer itself. You've got 2 ways to do this, image to image or text to image. Image to image is perfect if you already have a reference. Maybe you want your creator to carry a specific aesthetic, a certain look, a certain energy. You upload the reference and build from there. But if you don't have a reference and you're starting completely from scratch, that's where text to image comes in. You just describe what you want: blonde hair, streetwear vibe, soft glam makeup, gym girl energy, luxury creator aesthetic, whatever fits your brand. You put it into words and VidAU builds it. And you've got multiple AI image models to work with inside VidAU. Different models give you different results, so it's worth testing a few depending on the style you're going for. Okay, so once your influencer image is ready, now we move into the video stage. We're going to use image to video. Head over to that section inside the dashboard. And again, you've got options here. For this tutorial, I'm using VidAU 3.1. So I upload my influencer image like this. And now we write the prompt. And this is the part I really want you to focus on. Because your prompt is basically your director's notes. It's how you tell the AI what's actually happening in this scene. So don't write girl talking about skincare. Write young woman in a softly lit bathroom, morning routine energy, holding a skincare product casually, glancing between camera and mirror, relaxed and natural, slight smile, handheld camera feel, warm golden light coming through the window. You feel the difference? One is a label, the other is a scene. And if you ever get stuck on prompts, genuinely don't know where to start, use the VidAU AI agent on the mobile app. It walks you through the creative direction, helps you build out prompts, and suggests model choices. Really useful, especially when you're just getting started. So once your prompt is written, choose your aspect ratio, adjust your settings, and hit generate. And there she is.
I randomly picked up this protein bar the other day, and honestly, I get the hype now. First of all, there are so many flavors: chocolate, peanut butter, cookies, and cream. The texture is soft, chewy, and crunchy in the middle. Plus, it's packed with protein, fiber, and all the good nutrients without tasting unhealthy. Yeah, I'm definitely stocking up on these for sure. See how different that feels. She's not stiff. She's not staring into your soul trying to sell you something. She just exists in the scene. Naturally, that's the goal. And look, once you start getting this right, something really cool happens. People stop thinking about whether it's AI. They just watch the content. Focus on the story, the product, the vibe, the feeling. And that's when your content actually starts performing, because you've stopped fighting against people's instincts and started working with them. Because there's a difference between looking real and feeling real. And feeling real is always what wins. So if your AI UGC still feels a little off, don't throw out the tools. Look at the direction first. Better prompts, more specific scenes, avatars that feel like actual people instead of filtered versions of perfection. Because the AI is genuinely capable of incredible things right now, but it needs you to show up as the creative director, not just the person pressing generate. Give it a real scene. Give it personality. Give it imperfection. And watch what happens. I'm Vivi. Go make something that feels real.